everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make Thai beef skewers with peanut sauce. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so just in the bowl here I've got 500 grams of diced beef rump. Now you can use any kind of beef for this if you want. I find rump works really well for this, but you can of course use a tenderloin as well. Now the first thing we'll do is add in a teaspoon of salt to this. Next I'm going to add in 2 crushed garlic cloves. Next we'll add 1 teaspoon of sliced lemongrass. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and we'll add in half a teaspoon of chilli flakes to give this a hit. So we'll just give this a good mix, get everything well coated, and that's smelling very fragrant. So we'll just cover this with some cling wrap, place it straight into the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. You can leave it overnight if you like for better results. Alright guys, so moving on, I'm just going to skewer these now. So I'm going to put them on metal skewers like so. If you prefer, you can put these on bamboo skewers. If you're doing that, make sure you soak them in cold water for half an hour beforehand. Now, we're just going to get pieces that are about the same size onto each skewer. Just like so. And you don't want to overcrowd them, they should have a bit of room like that. Alright guys, so in my case I've got 4 skewers. Now before we move on, we'll just set that aside. And we're going to bring across 1 bird's eye chilli. And we just want to slice that and half it through the middle. Take out the seeds. You can either leave them in there if you really want an extra hot kick. And all we're going to do is thinly slice our chilli. Just like that. So let's move on to our stove. Alright guys, so just into a pan on a medium to high heat, we'll add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of peanut oil. Once our oil gets nice and hot, we'll slowly add in our skewers. You want to make sure to hear that sizzle. If you don't, turn up your heat. So all we're going to do guys is brown our skewers on all sides. So after about 30 seconds I'm just turning them. And look at that beautiful colour. After another 30 seconds, I'm just going to flip them again on the side. Alright guys, so as you can see we've got a beautiful colour all over. So at this point I'm going to add in our chilli. And we'll also add in 2 crushed garlic cloves as well. And I'm also going to add in a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Now I'm using the crunchy one for this. So we just want to melt down our peanut butter and spread it around. Once your peanut butter has melted down, we just want to flip our skewers and get them mixed with that peanut. So what I'm going to do now is add in half a cup of coconut cream. And we'll also add in 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Now bring up the heat of your pan to a medium. And we just want to slowly bring that up to a boil. And just a gentle boil. Okay guys, once you get a gentle boil going like that, turn the heat down to low. We just want to let our skewers simmer in there just for about a minute. Alright, that's looking good. So let's go ahead and serve. Alright guys, so I've just got some jasmine rice here. Nothing special, just simply boiled. And we'll just place our skewers right next to it. And finally we'll just spread our peanut sauce straight over. And we'll just finish that up with some freshly chopped coriander. And how beautiful does that look? Okay, and there we have it guys. So in my case I did serve it up with some simple plain jasmine rice. Don't need to add anything to it, because you can actually absorb that peanut sauce into the rice, and it's absolutely amazing. Let's give it a try. Oh, that is nice. So definitely don't try this at home if you have a nut allergy. As always guys, please make sure to like, share, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Let me know in the comments what you want me to make next. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. I'll see you all next time.